Guys, good morning to all. Today we will discuss the MGSU Msc previous year maths unsolved paper first. Okay, the paper first is advanced abstract algebra. There will be total 3 sections. Section A, there will be 10 questions of all carrying 2 marks. Section B, there will be 5 questions. Each question has internal choice. Each question carries 4 marks, means each question will carry 4 marks. If you will write the right answer, then you will get 4 marks for that. Section C, there will be 5 questions in which you have to choose 3 questions and write the answer for that. Let us discuss the section A. The first question, in first question there will be the 10 questions. You have to attend all the 10 questions. First question, define the following. We have to write the definitions of these questions. First is what is the Peace-Lillo subgroup. We have to write the Peace-Lillo group's definitions. Second is what is the algebraic extension. Third is primitive elements. Fourth is what is the perfect field. We have to write its definition and you can give also the example of that. Next question is what is the minimal polynomial. We have to write the definition of this. Write Einstein criterion. We have to write the Einstein criteria over here. Next question is the adjoint of a linear transformation. We have to define what will be the adjoint of a linear transformation. Okay. Next will be what do you mean by solvable by radicals. Okay. Ninth is the bilinear form. What is the bilinear form? Okay. This right under what conditions Cauchy Schwarz inequality becomes equality, means this equality becomes at a stage equality, then we have to write that condition. Okay, the section A has completed. Next is the section B. In section B, first question is we have to prove that given condition where G is a group, or there is an option you can also write the answer of that, which is so that a finite P group has a non-trivial center. We have to write answer of one of these two questions. Okay, next, so that subgroup of a solver group is solvable, or so that homomorphic image of a nilpotent group is nilpotent. We have to choose one and then write the answer. Fourth, if the matrix of a linear transformation T on V2B related to standard basis of V2R is एक matrix दी हुई है, then we have find the matrix of T relation on the basis, then we have to find a matrix on the given basis. Okay, or if AX and BX are primitive polynomial, then show that AX BX is a primitive polynomial. Means if AX and BX are two primitive polynomials, then the product of AX and BX will also be a primitive polynomial. We have to prove this. Okay. Fifth question, if F is a field of real numbers, then find AW where W is spanned by 1, 2, 3 and 0, 4, minus 4. Okay, we have to prove this. So that the general polynomial of degree n greater than equal to 5 is not solvable by radicals. Okay, we have to prove this also. Next, if UV belong to V, then so that we have to prove this. Okay, you can see the questions and you think which will be better for you, then choose one and proceed to solve this. Here we have completed the section B, then come to the section C. Section C, what it says, question number first. Let R be the field of real numbers and Q is the field of rational numbers. In R, root 2 plus root 3 are both algebraic over Q. Then we have to solve these 4 questions. Okay. Next, if K is a normal extension of field F of characteristic O, then show that there exists a one-to-one correspondence between the set of subfields of K which contain F and the set of subgroups G KF. Okay. Next, for any ring R, the following statements are equivalent. R is right Noctherian. Maximum condition hold for right ideals of R. Every right ideal of R is finitely generated. The next question number 10 is let T be a linear operator on VF, then show that null space of T is T invariant. Let T be a linear transformation, then show that T is projection if 1 minus D is a projection. Next and the last question 11th is find the symmetric matrix associated with the quadratic form. We have to write a symmetric matrix which is sorted with this given expression. Okay. Find orthonormal basis of R cube from the basis. Here we have given a basis and then we have to find orthonormal basis. We have discussed the paper 1 of MGSU Msc Maths. Thanks for watching.